Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is Samsung brand top loader washing machine. It is having problem with the error message. That's mean it's from the beginning it's showing DC error message we are not able to select any option because from the beginning it's showing DC error. This machine is actually the model wise WA18A8376G. This machine actually normally our field technicians know DC error. That's mean actually it is related with the door switch. Otherwise, machine unbalanced. Sometimes it's showing DC error because of the drain issue. Now we have to troubleshoot the problem. What is the exactly problem, and we will go to the check-in process. Now I already given power connection. Now you can see here it's already I given power and start the machine, and also now I'm going to direct spin cycle here. I have to select rings and spin. After that we have to cancel the ring cycle. It is 19 minutes now it came. That's mean direct spin. I will start the machine. You can see dear friends, it is from the beginning it showing DC error. That's mean we are not doing we are not able to do any selections. Now we have to remove the here panel, selector panel. That's mean we have to check the first of all we have to check the door switch. After that only we can go to the next step. Now first we will remove this part and we will check. Now dear friends, I have to unscrew these two screws. After that we can remove the selector switch panel, and also here. Now it's okay. Now we can take. We can take it like that. You can see here. Now I will disconnect here, and we can take it up, take it out. Also here. And we can take it out like that. Now here we can check harness assemble everything, but nothing wrong with the harness. Now what we can do, we will remove here. We have to take the top cover here. Because of that here two screws we have to unscrew. Also this two earth wire also we have to remove. Now it's okay. Now after that, now we will remove this two, this side and this side. After that we can take it up. Also here. Now we have to remove. Now we have to remove these two screws. After that we can take it up. Now it is okay. Here also one screw, because we have to check first door switch. That's why I'm going to remove this. Now it's okay. Now we can take it up like that. Now we can take it up like that. You can see dear friends. To disconnect here, don't forget this one drain hose, drain motor connection we have to disconnect. Here. Now it's okay. We can take it out. Now this is the problem actually, door switch. We have to check this door switch. After clear this door switch area. After that only we have to go to the next step. Now we will check with this. Now okay, here I have to remove these two screws. After that I can take it out. I have to remove these two screws also. Now you can see here, it is sure it is already, because of the moisture, it is already got oxided here. We can remove and check, no problem. If it is possible to repair, we can repair. Just we can remove and check here. And I will disconnect the harness from the main control. This is the door switch connector. I can remove like that here. Here, now we can take it out from here. Now we can take here. You can see there, it is coming like that. Now we will check this one. Now you can see here, it is 6 wires are here. Now we will do one thing, we will remove this one first. Yes dear, you can see here, this is the door switch. Actually this one, the problem, you know, it should come like that. It is already got oxided here. Now dear friends, you can see this door mechanism. How is it work? I will show you. This one, it should come to here. This is the DC motor. This is the wheel, and it should come like that. It is while closing time, this position. Offer that machine working time, this is the lock position. Now it should go here and there. It should move here. Also it will come fixed like that. You can see here, this mechanism, this is one is normally closed, this one is normally open. Now this position, it is that's mean both of them, it is normally open. You can see here, it is now, it is, we will think it is door lock already, and it should come this position. That's mean one is open, this one is open. You can see this one is closed. This is already contact, it is already catch, this one release. That means this position it should be. Now what happened, this connector, this contact is not coming, it's not sensing. That means signal not going to the main control board. Because of that also it's showing, you can see it's showing DC error message. It's happening like that. This is the mechanism. You can see here, this is the mechanism. That means it should contact the white and here white and yellow, this one, this wire, white and yellow, this wire going to the, at the same time here, magnet field, actually magnetism field, it should be here. That means after closing, I will show you, after closing door having magnet piece, at that time that sensor, it is sensing, after that power supplying through the white wire to here. You can see here. White wire to here. After that sensor only it's going to the main control board. This side also same. It is this one you can see red and yellow. That means together this magnetism field after coming it's sends into the main control board. Now what we can do, this position we have to keep. That means yellow touch with the white wire. That means this two we can give direct. I will clean this one first and we will try one time. I have to clean actually because it's sometimes it's not contacting. At the same time also showing the same error message. Because of that I will contact here. I will clean here. I will remove this. Also I will clean properly. Yes dear. Now I will fix again and I will show you. Now it's coming like that. This contactor should be should contact properly, otherwise it's not working machine. That means it will show the error message. The mechanism working is like that, door switch mechanism. This is the way how to work that one. Now we will try one time. Here you can see. Now it should work actually. Anyway we will check. If it is not working also I will show you how to give direct connection. That means we need to run the machine. Now I will try with this and we will check what will happen. Now I will give the connection to the display PCB. Yes, I given already. Also this one it's okay. Now I will give the door switch connection. I will keep like that. Now I am giving door switch connection here. This is the contact connector.